3 steps to creating an organic multi-surface cleaner with Castile soap. While ready-made cleaner products are available in the market, they usually contain harmful chemicals that can damage your health and your environment. So, by creating a DIY Castile soap spray, you can reduce the hassle of searching for the appropriate products in stores to clean your home. What's more, Castile soap is a natural organic soap that kills bacteria without negatively impacting your health and environment. So, to create a multi-surface cleaner, here's what you'll need to do. Step 1. Gather the essential oils. While your main ingredient is liquid Castile soap, you will still need to integrate other essential oils to increase effectiveness and diffuse a pleasant aroma. Some of the best essential oils to use for this DIY project are lavender, tea tree, peppermint, and lemon. Choosing the essential oil that works best for your spray depends on your personal preference and expected results. If you want to strengthen the spray's effectiveness and potency, you can choose to combine 2 or more oils. Step 2. Combine the ingredients. Once you've gathered the unscented Castile soap and essential oils, collect the other tools you'll need to create this solution, such as a measuring cup, empty spray bottle, funnel, and distilled water. Using the measuring cup and the funnel, pour 1 cup of the distilled water into the spray bottle. Then, add 1 tablespoon of unscented liquid Castile soap. Finally, add 10 to 15 drops of your chosen essential oils into the spray bottle and shake until everything is well combined. Step 3. Use and store properly. Once you've combined all the ingredients, it's ready to use. To use, spray the solution directly on any surface and wipe it clean with a damp cloth. This solution is a multi-surface cleaner that can be used for several purposes, such as floor cleaner, sink scrub, window cleaner, mopping solution, toilet cleaner, kitchen scrub, and shower cleaner. If you want to use this solution on narrower areas like grout lines and hard-to-reach corners, you can use a toothbrush for easier access. After using, be sure to store the multi-purpose cleaner away from heat and direct sunlight, as these can alter the chemical composition of the solution. Nature's Glory offers a wide range of liquid Castile soap options for you to choose from. Some of them are already infused with antibacterial essential oils to give you maximum benefits. With these products on hand, you can create your all-purpose cleaner at home hassle-free.